Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Obiorah, Olawunmi, a student of Well Up Digital for 7. I'm having on my screen here a summary, a dashboard representing the summary of the activities done by the Global Superstore. And here this is represented here on this dashboard, the segment percentage, category by ship mode, category by person, city by category, profit by region, and the sales trend. And I'm having to analyze various objectives during the course of this project. The first objective was to analyze the 3 countries that generated the highest total profit in the Superstore in 2014. I represented this using the bar chart, and after filtering out the year 2014, we realized that United States topped the chart with a total of 94,000, India by 49,000, China by 47,000. And further analysis was made, and we realized that in these 3 countries, the 3 products with the highest total profit, specifically their product names, were for United States, you have Canon Image Class 2200 at 63.1%, Fellows P8500 at 19.41%, Hewlett Packard at 17.49%. India topping next had Sauder Classic at 39.61%, Apple smartphone at 38.44%, Cisco smartphone at 21.93%. Coming next is China with Sharp Wireless Fax Machine at 34.37%, HP Copy Machine at 33.9%, Samsung smartphone at 31.73%. The next objective, which is our second question, was to identify the 3 subcategories with the highest average shipping cost in the United States. Representing this with the pie chart, the subcategory with the highest average shipping cost in the United States was copiers at 45%, machines at 36%, and tables at 19%. Question 3 came in 2 different subsections, and we have 3 asking what we should assess Nigeria's profitability, that is total profit for 2019, and how does it compare to other African countries. In this table here, we filtered out all African countries and the various total shipping costs and the average discount. And Nigeria had the least total profit with minus 80,750. And the key factors attributing to this low total profit was due to 1, high average discount. The most apparent factor contributing to Nigeria's poor performance is exceptionally the high average discount rate. Discount of 0.70, implying that a significant portion of potential revenue is being forfeited to attract sales or due to aggressive discounting strategies, which is detrimental to profitability. Then next is shipping costs. Low shipping costs, because Nigeria's average shipping cost was much lower than the average shipping cost of other African countries, indicating that potential underinvestment in shipping logistics. Other countries with higher and comparable shipping costs maintain profitability because their discount rates were managed more effectively. A visual of this is found here, and this is Nigeria showing its negative total value or total profit. Okay, so our next objective, which is question 4, was to identify the product subcategory which was the least profitable in Southeast Asia, considering the Southeast Asian countries to be Cambodia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Burma, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. And showing this, representing this with a line chart, we realize that the product, subcategory product with least total profit was tables. And according to the analysis, it is advisable that global stock should stop offering Philippines products, which is represented here in this other chart here, because it had a negative balance, a negative total profit of minus 16,000. Our next objective, which is the question 5, was to find which city is the least profitable in terms of average profit in the United States. And we are taking in cognizance the city which particularly is Lancaster in the United States. According to the analysis, the city in the United States with the least profitable value is average profit is Lancaster. And the reasons for this low average profit is attributed to high rate of shipping costs, significant discounts, negative average profit, and low order quantities. Our next objective is to find which product subcategory has the highest average profit in Australia. Taking Australia next as a country, the product subcategory with the highest average profit in Australia was discovered to be the appliances, with about 139.01 value. And the list representing this with the bar chart, the list is tables, which has a negative value. For question 7, our final objective were to find which customer return items and what segment do they belong, and also who are the most valuable customers and what do they purchase. So customers who return item and the segment they belong was analyzed in a table. Is having them all here and showing the count of return products that they returned. And we have the most valuable customers and their purchases in this bar chart, which is represented here by, we have Tamar Chand, Raymond Budge, and Hunter Lopez, all with product Canon image class 2200 advanced copier, while the next customer was Adrian Barton and the last was Sanjit Chand. In view of this analysis, the following recommendations are made for global superstore. That 1, they should focus on high profit product categories. 2, they should strategize for medium profit categories. And lastly, review and improve lower profit categories. Thank you.